from Sweeney Hire, and today we're going to give you guys a bit of a demo of the Wacker Neuson SM325-27T in action with the Wacker Neuson DT08. So I'll give you a quick run through on how to start the two of them and an example of them in action. So we'll use the mini loader to fill the mini jumper, and then we'll track down to the truck and load it into the truck, and we'll show you one scoop of the mini loader loading directly into the truck, just so you guys can have an example of the clearances and what they can kind of take per scoop and all that sort of fun stuff. So Jill, if you would like to come over here. So there's a lot going on this machine. This is only like my second or third time driving it, so I might not be a smooth operator. But you've got your glow here. So preheat to the left, turn to the right to start. These two levers, and I believe it's this part of this lever is more for attachment. So for today we don't need to worry about those. You keep it down to 10 when you're tracking, but then if you were trenching or something, you'd need to have it up here. So that's why there's a lot going on with that particular lever. So basically this is your forward and your back and your turn, and then this one is your arm up and down, and this one is your tilt in and out, and then we've just got some other throttles right here. So let's get into it. So preheat. I am not a dingo operator. It's probably my least favourite machine in the place, and we've just recently changed to these, and the controls are different compared to our old machine. Our old machine, it was just two handles, but then left and right, kind of like the joystick on an excavator or on the posi. So every time I touch that, I'm like, what am I doing again? We'd say it's probably about 2.5 scoops to load the dumper. As you can see, I load it with front. Just get rid of that excess. And I put a lot of sand in here as well. It's not ideal. I wonder how a blower goes with sand. Maybe we can do a blowing video later. Want to speed up your productivity, what, 1.5 times? And if you've a long way to track, this dumper might come in pretty handy. So now I'll quickly show you guys how to start the dumper. God, I've made an awful mess. In the survey you guys asked for more like in action how to do this stuff, so I might be a bit more rough around the edges. So with this one, it likes to beep. So basically you have your starter down here. As you start it, you need to be ready with the throttle. So with this one, it's forward, back, and these two, so up and down. And then this one is your in and out. And then yeah, you're turning and your throttle in the middle. But then you've got like another throttle, an accelerator, I guess, and a throttle. So throttle first as you start, and then when you turn it off, you need to turn off the throttle, wait for it to beep at you, and then switch it off. So see how it didn't start because I didn't press it up quick enough. What else can I tell you about this one? It does have a small fuel tank. So if you want to fuel it up, it is a bit awkward. We're going to see if we can modify it, but it's only about a 2-litre tank, and it just goes there, and it's diesel. But that's basically it with this one, because it's a pretty basic machine, but it does what it says it's going to do, and it's quite handy if you've a far away to track. So just in comparison, I'll put one scoop on the dingo and try and unload that. That is my first time using the jumper, by the way, to actually fill it and everything. So yeah, it's a bit rough, that would be why. I'm jumping around the place a bit with this machine. It's super important to hold on because you can see even my body's jerking a little bit. The controls on it are quite responsive, but after about 10 minutes you should be more used to it. Like backwards I'm fine, it's just because it's barely your thumbs that you use and your fingers to guide it, and it's just about keeping them level where you can. Like I said, we didn't do any pre-takes of this. I'm just a get in, film, get it up on YouTube kind of a person. So we haven't done 20 takes in the background, and I'm still a terrible dingo operator. It's just been, yeah, we're filming this today, let's get it done. So if I played around with it a bit more, I probably would be a lot smoother, but at least you're getting like what it's really like to operate a dingo first time. And like I said, the controls are different to the other dingos that we had before, so it's wrapping your head around that too. But it's like with the posi track versus the skid steer, hand control and foot control versus all hand control. Within about 10 minutes you kind of work it out in your head. So we'll go and park this one up, and that's our little demo. As you can see, both machines can quite easily clear the side of our little 2-ton tip truck. We hope this was a good example for you guys of using these two machines together. We can actually let you guys in on a secret. We are probably getting a 1-ton excavator next week. It's another Wacker Neuson. So we can do a similar video with how you'd use them in combination with each other. So yeah, thanks for watching everyone. Be sure to subscribe. Let us know in the comments below what kind of videos you'd like to see next, or any feedback for us, so that we can continue to make the videos that you guys want to see. Cheers!